Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, in additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 13th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two puzzles left. That's the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. This one with 4 stars, and you are interested in this one. Yes, it's binary time. Number 7266. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1 and there 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. And between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. A jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.